Dear students, good morning. Hope you all are fine. Beta, today we will start the computers topic, the keyboard and its function. Today I will explain you the keys on the keyboard. First of all, what is a keyboard? A keyboard is an important part of the computer. It has many keys on it and it is used for typing the numbers, symbols and letters. See how we can type. See, this is a keyboard. Can you see this? Can you see the keyboard? Yes. See, on this many keys are available on the keyboard. Now how you will learn these keys? First of all, I will tell you about the alphabet keys. What are alphabet keys? Alphabet keys have letters from A to Z. There are in all 26 letters and we can type the letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. See how. Now I want to type my name. Suppose my name is Raman. So how I will type it? I will type R from here, A from here. Now see. Look at the screen. Can you see that it is being typed here? Now see, I will click on M from the keyboard and look at the screen. M will be typed on the screen here. M A N. I have typed the letters with the help of alphabet keys. Now our next set of keys are number keys. So how many number keys are there on the keyboard? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Including 0, there are 10 number keys. And number keys are at two places on the keyboard. One here and one is here. See, here also there is a set of number keys on the keyboard. Now what are number keys used to? Number keys are used to type the numbers on the screen. See, when I will type 1, 2, 3, it will be visible on the screen here. See, I am typing from the keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is being showed on the screen. Now, the third set of keys are the special keys. These keys have different symbols on them like plus, minus, star, slash, @. See, on the number keys, they have a special symbol. They are known as special keys. How they are used? They are used with the help when we press the shift key and when we press the 1 key. Then exclamation mark comes on the screen. So these special keys and special characters are used with the help of shift keys. Now the next key is the space bar key. Here you can see this. It's the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between the words. Like I want to write here, my name is Diksha. How I will write? See, from the keyboard, look at the screen. I am typing my name is Diksha. Now how this space is coming in between? How this space is coming in between? It's coming with the help of this space bar key. When we type, see, when I am clicking on the space bar key, the cursor is moving ahead and ahead. Now, see, now this set of key is caps lock key. What is the use of caps lock key? Caps lock key is used to type in capital letters. Now, I have written my name in small letters. When I press the caps lock key from my keyboard, see, I have pressed it. Now this light is on here. That means that caps lock key is working. Now I will press the buttons from the keyboard. See, every letter is coming in capital letters. The next set of key is enter keys. See, there are two enter keys on the keyboard. One is here and one is with a set of numbers here. So there are two enter keys on the keyboard. What is the use of enter key? When we have to move the cursor to the next line. See, this blinking line is, can you see this? It's a cursor. So when we have to move it to the next line, now I am pressing the enter key from the keyboard. See, the cursor will move to the next line. See, it has come to the next line. Now I can type in the next line. Now, the next set of keys is the arrow keys. See, we can see it on the keyboard here. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Up, down, right and left. 4 keys are there. Up arrow key, what does up arrow key do? Up arrow key moves the cursor up. See, I am pressing it from here and see the cursor. It's going up. Yes. And down arrow key is here. I am pressing it. Now see, the cursor will go down. Yes. Now see, this is right arrow key. I am pressing it from here. Now see, the cursor is going towards the right. Look here. I'll show you. See, cursor is going towards right direction. Yes. Now I am pressing the left arrow key. See where the cursor will go to the left side. Now next is the backspace key. Backspace key means it erases the letters to the left side of the cursor. See, it's available here on the keyboard above enter key, and the sign of backspace key is a back arrow. It erases the character to the left side of the cursor. See, cursor is here. Now I am pressing the backspace key. See what it will erase. It has erased the letters towards the left of A alphabet. It has erased the letters to the left of A alphabet. Now, next key is the delete key. Delete key also erases the letters, but where? It erases to the right side of the cursor. This is the main difference between delete key and backspace key. The delete key erases the letters to the right of the cursor, and the backspace key erases the letters to the left of the cursor. See, delete key is available here on the keyboard. When I will press this key, see which letters are being erased. It is erasing the letters towards the right of U alphabet. And backspace key was erasing the letters to the left of the alphabet. So beta, you also practice this. Practice the same on your laptops or computers and send me your innovative videos. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.